Exercise 3.2 of Understanding Quadrilaterals. Question 1. Find x in the following figures. So let's start with the solution. Okay, we know that the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So 125 degree, 125 degree and x. These three are exterior angles of the given figure. Therefore, we can write 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Then 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Then using transposition we can write x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree, which is 110 degree. Therefore x is equal to 110 degree. This is your answer of question 1. Okay. Then please check the question 2. In this figure, consider this exterior angle as y and consider this exterior angle as z. Okay, please see this in diagram. Okay. So for y, we can say that internal angle is 90 degree. So using linear pair, we can write angle y is equal to 180 minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. And on this side, angle z is given as 90 degree. Okay. So we know that the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, we can write angle x plus angle y, that is 90 degree, plus angle 60 plus angle z plus angle 70 is equal to 360 degree. Then we will put the values of y and z. So we can write angle x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. So sum of 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 is coming 310 degree. So x plus 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. So using transposition, x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree, which is 50 degree. Therefore angle x is coming 50 degree. So this is final answer. Question 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides and 15 sides. Okay. Now regular polygon means all interior and exterior angles are equal and all sides are of equal length. Okay. So for first case, when regular polygon of 9 sides, okay, each exterior angle will be 360 upon 9. So why 360? Because sum of all the exterior angles of polygon is equal to 360 degree. Therefore we can write each exterior angle is equal to 360 upon 9 and it is coming 40 degree. Similarly for second case, when regular polygon of 15 sides. Okay. So again, sum of all exterior angles of the polygon is 360 degree and we have 15 sides. Therefore each exterior angle will be 360 upon 15 and it is coming 24 degree. Question 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Okay. अभी ये जो क्वेश्चन है इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर एज द क्वेश्चन 2. यहाँ पे थिंकिंग आपका सेम होना चाहिए. इन सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ साइड्स दिया था एंड ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल पूछा था एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल दिया है एंड उन्होंने नंबर ऑफ साइड्स पूछा है. ठीक है. सो अगेन we will use the same concept of sum of the exterior angles. Okay. So we know that sum of all exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Therefore number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon measure of an each angle. So 360 degree upon 24 and it is coming 15. So the number of sides of this regular polygon is equal to 15. Question 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Okay. So please think. Again this question is similar as question number 3. डिफरेंस ये है कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में उन्होंने एक्सटीरियर एंगल बोला था एंड यहाँ पे इंटीरियर एंगल दिया है. सो फर्स्ट आपको ईच इंटीरियर एंगल जो है उससे आपको ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल फाइंड करना है, दैट इज यूजिंग लीनियर पेयर. एंड एक बार आपको एक्सटीरियर एंगल मिलेगा देन यूजिंग द कंसेप्ट ऑफ सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री वी कैन फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ दिस रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन. ओके. सो फर्स्ट using linear pair we can write exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree, it is coming 15 degree. Okay. Now we know that sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degree. So number of sides will be sum of exterior angles upon each exterior angle. यहाँ पे printing mistake है, यहाँ पे exterior angle आएगा. Okay. So 360 degree upon 15 is equal to 24. So the number of sides for the regular polygon are 24. Okay, so this is the final answer. Question number 5a. Is it possible to have a regular polygon width of each exterior angle as 22 degree? And question b is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? and also we have to write the reason why. Okay, so please see the solution on the left side. Okay, so again the question is it possible to have a regular polygon with of each exterior angle as 22 degree? So the answer is no. Okay, because the reason is we know that the sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree and 22 is not the divisor of 360 degree. इसका मतलब यह है कि जब आप 360 को 22 से डिवाइड करते हो तो आपको रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो नहीं आता है. ओके, एंड नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Okay, so first we'll find the interior angle. So interior angle is 180 minus 22, it is coming 158 degree. Okay, so in this case also answer is no. Okay, the reason is because again the sum of exterior angle 360 degree for regular polygon, and if we divide 360 degree by 158, again we will not get the remainder 0. Therefore, in this case also answer is no. Question number 6a. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? And question b is what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Okay. So please find the solution on the left side. Okay. So for case 1, we have to consider a regular polygon with least number of sides. So regular polygon with least number of sides is equilateral triangle. Therefore, we are considering equilateral triangle. So please see the solution. The equilateral triangle being a regular polygon of 3 sides has the least measure of an interior angle of 60 degree. We know that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, and sum of all the angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property of triangle. If we consider each interior angle is x, then x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree, that is 3x is equal to 180 degree, and then we'll get each interior angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, then to find each exterior angle, now interior angle is 60 degree, so using linear pair you can find exterior angle. So 180 degree minus 60 degree is coming 120 degree. So this is the answer for question B, that is each exterior angle will be 120 degree. So this is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon.